Let us try to go there. Let us try to go there. I will ask my video journalist to come with me. Let us try to show you the pictures. Arnab is now being taken to Taloja jail in this particular vehicle. Arnab is being taken out. You can see that the entire sheet has been covered.
I'm not being allowed to speak to my lawyers. My life is under threat. My life is under threat. I'm not being allowed to speak to my lawyers. I was pushed and assaulted this morning at 6 o'clock. They woke me up. They said, I will not let you speak to the lawyers. Please tell the people of the country my life is under threat. My life is under threat. I'm not being allowed.
That's a very big allegation which is being made by Arnab Goswami that his life is under threat. You can clearly hear the voice coming in where Arnab Goswami told us that he is not being allowed to speak to his lawyer, and now he told us that his life is under threat. That's the big allegation coming in. We tried speaking to Arnab Goswami. But Raigad police stopped us. They did not let us speak to Arnab Goswami. He told us his life is under threat. That's the very big statement coming in from Arnab Goswami. We have seen that how his voice is being muzzled by police. He's not being allowed to speak to his lawyer, and now he's being taken to Raigad, to Taloja jail. Very big statement coming in from Arnab Goswami where he told us that his life is now under threat. We tried speaking to him, but now he's saying that his life is under threat and he's not being allowed to speak to his lawyer. He's making very big charge. Why it is happening? Why police is doing this? Many questions have now been raised that why it is happening. Why police, which is now taking Arnab Goswami to Taloja jail? Why it is happening that he's now being taken out from quarantine center and taken to Taloja jail? He told us that his life is under danger, his life he's not safe. He told us his life is in danger and he's not being allowed to speak to his lawyer. Why it is happening? Why police is doing this? Why is being shifted to Taloja jail from quarantine center? There are very big claims, big charges being made by Arnab Goswami that his life is under threat. He's now being taken to Taloja jail. We tried speaking to him, but there were police personnel who stopped us. Arnab Goswami spoke to us. He told us that his life is in danger. He's not being allowed to speak to his lawyer. We tried speaking to him, but now he's now telling us that his life is under threat. Cops have told him that they will not give him any access to lawyers. Why it is happening when the court is in case tomorrow at 3 p.m. when the Bombay High Court is going to hear the entire case? Why it is happening? Why police is doing this? Why is being shifted from quarantine center to Taloja jail? Why it is happening? Arnab Goswami is being stopped from speaking. He was also stopped from speaking to us. We tried speaking to Arnab Goswami also, but he was stopped by the police there. And also we told to our viewers that how the entire van has been covered with black sheets. We tried speaking to him, but he was also stopped by police to say anything to us. We're showing you the live pictures from this very place, from quarantine center in Alibag. Now he's being taken to Taloja jail. There are certainly important questions which needs to be answered at this moment. Why Arnab Goswami is now being taken to Taloja jail? His life is certainly in danger because he himself told us he told us that police is not giving any access, any lawyers access to him, or no lawyer is now allowed to